Today I'm removing my gel polish and builder gel with an e-file. But first I want to show you that not all bits are created equally. I'm starting off with this barrel tip to remove the polish on my thumb. Now this is a C&D shellac top coat with blooming gel and regular gel polish underneath. And as you can see, it's kind of struggling to really get in there and remove the polish. I'm having to make multiple passes, and so I'm just going to speed along here and show you how much effort it took. I think it was about 10 to 15 minutes just to remove the polish on this one nail, which is crazy. While this is a carbide bit, and I do recommend carbide bit for gel and even builder gel removal, I want to show you how fast it is when I switch to a more appropriate type bit like this one. This one is a tapered carbide bit, and it has kind of medium depth teeth that are really great for gel removal. So I start by going around the edges and then down through the middle, and you can see the removal is happening much quicker. I'm having to do fewer passes. I do wish my e-file had a bit more power, but I'm receiving a new professional series file in the mail tomorrow as part of the Amazon Vine Voice program, and I'm so excited to try it. But in the meantime, I'm working with what I've got. I've had this blooming gel design on for about a week and a half now, and I haven't experienced any lifting. Really liked them. It was my first time using blooming gel, and I thought they turned out great. No lifting. They're growing out well, especially with the milky white. You couldn't really see the grow out that was happening, but I was just really excited to try something new. So I wanted to remove this and get a fresh set. Now, typically when I'm doing the removal, I do leave a good 10 to 15% of the previous builder gel underneath just to maintain the strength. As long as it's in good shape and it's not peeling or lifting, I do like to leave a bit of it, especially once I get to the point of filing my nails. It gives it some extra sturdiness and strength to prevent breakage or being too flimsy. As you can see, I used a blue builder gel, a very light pale blue builder gel that's been under there for several weeks and it's growing out. So I'm going to try to remove most of that. I'm not taking it all off today, but I want to get at least 95% of it out of there and kind of start fresh with a new builder gel, which I'll show you in the next video. This takes a lot of patience. You definitely want to make sure that you're not damaging the nail bed, not pushing too hard. Really let the bit and the power of the drill do all the work for you. I'm just gently gliding it over the polish, and as I demonstrated with the two different bits, you can see this one just really effortlessly does the work of taking off the polish. So I'm going to let it do its thing. I'm just gliding it in motions. I like to start around the edges near the cuticle area. And this bit actually is very gentle on the skin. It bites into the gel really well for removal, but it's very gentle on the skin. So I like to start around the edges and then kind of just do vertical strokes down the middle, all the way across. So satisfying to watch. Look at all that dust flying out of there. Now, if you have a dust catcher, I highly recommend that. I also recommend maybe using a mask or protective eyewear to keep any of the dust from getting in your nose or mouth or into your eyes. You can see there's quite a lot of dust. It's just so satisfying to watch it come flying out of there. once I'm done with my pinky, I'm going to repeat the process on the other hand, and then we're just about ready for polish. I'm excited to show you what design I chose today. Head to the link in my bio to see how I apply the polish using blooming gel and a sparkly cat eye.